There's been so much growth and development happening here in Westland Ranch in League City that we had to come back and show you exactly what K Hovnanian's model home looks like now. It's incredible. They've got an incredible Glasgow plan that we're gonna see, and I think you'll be really impressed with what they have to offer. Their finishes that they've chosen are just excellent for the buyer, and just really proud of the product and what's offered here in Westland Ranch. But to give you kind of an idea, you know, this park here wasn't here the last time, and neither was all of that. Lots of growth. So just to kind of give you an idea, in the last year and a half, this is what it's come to be. You know, streets and streets and little pocket parks and neighborhoods and all of this stuff. This is what it is now, and it's so popular, and it's such an environment that feels like home for people, and that's what it's all about. It's all about that. That's what people move here to feel and get. So I'm excited to show you K Hovnanian today. If you're ready, let's go take a look at their incredible model home. Welcome back to Westland Ranch. If you're new here or haven't checked out the other videos that I have done on this community, definitely go back and do that. This is just one for the record book. So many good floor plans, so many good builders. Definitely check them out. If you're looking for larger lot sizes, they definitely have them here. Every single plan is in a 50 to 70 foot lot. So we are highlighting and featuring K Hovnanian today, the Glasgow plan, and we're checking out the fact that it is 5856 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths. It is a 1-story. 1-stories are highly popular. This is in fact one of K Hovnanian's most popular plans, and it's got a study, it's got a mudroom, and a Hov Hub. Their use of storage in this plan and in other plans is just incredible. And so I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about this plan. Next video, we are going to feature D.R. Horton's newest plan in this community. So definitely stay tuned for that and enjoy.